Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have an active Google Workspace account and any admin approvals you need. This matters because policies can block setup. Once done, install Gmail and Drive from the App Store so core apps are available. Make sure two-step verification is enabled if your organization mandates it, since you'll need the code during sign-in. Finally, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions, and open the Gmail app to begin adding your work account. You'll sign in next. Open Gmail, tap the menu, choose Add Account and pick Google, enter your Workspace email and password. When prompted, grant permissions for calendar, contacts, notifications, and background app refresh so sync works properly. Denying these will limit functionality. If your organization requires device management, accept the profile install and follow prompts. This allows security policies like passcode and encryption. Once permissions finish, wait for initial sync of mail and contacts before moving on. You're almost done. Verify sync by opening Mail, Calendar, and Drive to confirm messages, events, and files appear. This ensures everything propagated. Make sure Gmail is set as your default account in iOS settings if you prefer unified sending, and adjust notification and fetch settings to save battery. If something fails, restart your iPhone first. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account and contact your Workspace admin to check conditional access or device management rules.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.